Lorena, and Allen.
Okay, congratulations to Allen and Lorena. Nakakalaga po rin sila sa dinner for two. And of course, yung kanilang special gift, 1-hour body relaxation massage. Congratulations, Lorena and Allen. At least, sobrang ang